Hey everyone! Exciting news from the moon today. Almost 55 years after Apollo 11's historic landing, scientists have discovered a massive cave system near the very site where Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history. The discovery. Using radar images from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, researchers have identified huge pits on the moon's surface that might be skylights leading into vast underground caves and tunnels. These could be invaluable for future astronauts looking to establish a lunar base, offering natural shelter from the harsh environment of the moon. The location. The cave is accessible through a pit in Mare Tranquillitatis, Sea of Tranquility, a large basalt basin where Apollo 11 landed on July 20, 1969. Although this area isn't ideal for a long-term human settlement due to the lack of ice and, therefore, water, the discovery of this cave suggests that there could be other similar structures in more suitable locations. Why this matters? Mare Tranquillitatis may not be the best place to set up a lunar base because there's no ice at the equator. Ice is crucial as it can be used for drinking water, making oxygen, and even producing rocket fuel. The lunar poles are better choices because they're likely to have ice protected from the sun's rays in permanently shadowed craters. The details. This particular opening, known as the Mare Tranquillitatis Pit, was first imaged in 2010 and has now been confirmed to lead into a cave. The pit is about 100 meters wide and 130 to 170 meters deep, making it the deepest known lunar pit. By reanalyzing radar data and using computer simulations, scientists determined that a portion of the radar signal reflected back from a subsurface cave conduit, indicating the presence of a potentially extensive cave system. Potential for lunar shelters. This discovery is thrilling because these caves could provide natural shelters for future lunar bases. They offer protection from cosmic rays, temperature fluctuations, and small asteroid impacts. On the lunar surface, temperatures can swing from a scorching 121 degrees Celsius (250 degrees Fahrenheit) in the day to a freezing -133 degrees Celsius (-208 degrees Fahrenheit) at night. Underground caves are expected to maintain a more stable temperature, making them ideal for building shelters. Challenges ahead. While these caves could significantly reduce the amount of material we need to bring to the moon, there are still challenges to overcome. The sheer drop of over 100 meters into the cave means future explorers will need to find safe ways to descend and ascend. Lower lunar gravity helps, but this is still a technical hurdle. The structural integrity of these caves also needs to be assessed before we can move in. The bigger picture. The cave system could be 30 to 80 meters long and about 45 meters wide, large enough to house several lunar houses with a flat floor suitable for building. These caves are likely old lava tubes formed when the moon was volcanically active millions of years ago. Discovering such structures near the lunar poles, where water ice exists, would be even better, combining natural shelter with easy access to water. Future missions. The ability to spot these caves from space allows us to plan future missions that use these natural shelters. Imagine astronauts living in volcanically formed caves on the moon. What an incredible step forward for space exploration. So, stay tuned for more updates as we continue to uncover the mysteries of the moon and plan for humanity's future in space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all your space news.